Fashion Fiasco.
Today, I'm at Abby's
Boutique.
What's the name of it? The Cutie Boutique. And she's fixing my hair up. And she's not charging me anything, which I think is a great deal. So, if you want a hairdo as good as mine, you should come. To Abby's Cutie Boutique, if you can stand it. And I know I'm beautiful. Are you done putting all the stuff on me?
On your hair, yes.
And as you can see, my hair is just gorgeous. I haven't looked at it yet, but let me look. Oh my God, what have you done to me? Anyway, this is what you get for the bargain basement price of free.
But this is only the hair.
This is only the
You
hair.
should see the hands.
Oh yes, I have glitter on my hand,
And
and I
lips.
smell like strawberry.
She smells like strawberry, and the
Don't
lips are
stick it right up to me.
beautiful.
And that's all for now.
You just got free!